Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your cover photos private on Facebook. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. First, open your Facebook app. And after that, you need to go to menu on the top right. From here, tap on See Your Profile on the top. From here, you can see your cover photo. So tap on your cover photo and then you will get multiple options. From here, tap on Upload Photo. After that, scroll through your gallery and select whichever photo you want for your cover. You can drag and adjust the photo however you want. Once you're done adjusting, untick the box at the bottom which says Share your update to Newsfeed. And after that, tap on Save. Now, as you can see, we've got our new cover photo. Now refresh your Facebook. Now, in order to make your cover photo private, tap on your cover photo. Then tap on View Profile Cover. Now swipe through and then tap on the three dots on the top right. From here, tap on Edit Privacy. Now set the privacy as Only Me. Now go back. This way you can swipe through and set the privacy settings for each cover photo. And after that, it will only be visible to you, and no one else can see your cover photo. You can also set it as friends only, so only your friends can see your cover photo. So that is how you make your cover photo private on Facebook.